Hi guys, it's AJ Allen with DadJobs. I'm just a dad doing jobs around the house. Doesn't mean moms can't do them too. Today, I'm going to show you how to do little repairs in drywall, just with some compound, and show you how to get it real nice and smooth so it's ready for paint. So, and if you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Alright, so you can see here it is a little bit rough, and if there's any excess paint, you definitely want to hanging off. You want to get it, kind of pull it away, try to get it as flat and stuck as possible. On these ones, even bigger, pull on down to a whole layer. So we're gonna patch these up and get them ready for paint, make them look good, go from there. That should be good. Give it like 5 minutes, they'll be dry and be ready to start compounding. All right, so we are just using an all-purpose joint compound from Home Depot, I believe this one was. So you can see, came out really good. The second layer of mud, smoothing that out one more time, definitely helps out. Definitely hides it better and makes it just really smooth. Good luck. Hope this helped you out. If you did, please let us know in the comments. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more DadJobs videos to help you guys around the house. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.